Mastering misplaced modifiers. Find them, fix them, forget them. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our series on mastering English grammar. In today's lesson, we will focus on an important aspect of sentence structure, misplaced modifiers. Misplaced modifiers are common errors in English, and understanding them will not only help improve your grammar but also make your sentences clearer and more effective. First off, let's understand what modifiers are. Modifiers are words, phrases, or clauses that provide additional detail about another word or group of words in the sentence. They modify by adding, limiting, or clarifying the meaning. When it comes to misplaced modifiers, the problem arises when it is not clear what the modifier is supposed to be modifying. This can lead to confusion, unintended humor, and sometimes completely change the meaning of the sentence. For example, consider the sentence, "Walking down the street, the trees were beautiful." The modifier here is walking down the street, but the way this sentence is structured, it seems like the trees are doing the walking, which is not possible. Identifying misplaced modifiers is the first step in correcting these errors. Look for modifiers that are not clearly or logically connected to the words they are meant to modify. Remember, a modifier should be as close as possible to the word or phrase it's modifying. If a sentence reads oddly or makes you do a double take, there's a good chance a misplaced modifier is lurking there. Once we've identified a misplaced modifier, we need to correct it. The key is to move the modifier so it's next to the word or phrase it's meant to modify. Going back to our example, a corrected version would be, "Walking down the street, I thought the trees were beautiful." Here, it's clear that I am the one walking down the street, not the trees. The best way to master misplaced modifiers is to practice. Here are a few more examples for you to correct. 1. I heard that there was a picnic in the park on the radio. 2. Running quickly improves health. Can you spot and fix the misplaced modifiers? And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of misplaced modifiers. How to find them, fix them, and forget making those errors again. With practice, you'll soon get the hang of it and your English grammar will be all the better for it. Remember, mastering English is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Until our next lesson, keep practicing and happy learning.